Today I'm in Switzerland, but not the one you think. Welcome to Swissminiatur. Located in Melide, just outside Lugano, Swissminiatur recreates Switzerland at a scale of 1 to 25. From famous buildings and historic landmarks, the railways, mountains and entire city scenes, it is basically Switzerland, just smaller. Swissminiatur kindly provided my admission, behind-the-scenes access, some gifts and tickets for the giveaway, but as always, everything you hear and see in this video is based on my own experience. Swissminiatur opened here in Melide on 6th of June 1959. It was created by Pierre Vuigner and has stayed in the family ever since. Today, the third generation continues his work. What started as a big dream became one of Switzerland's most loved attractions. From a distance, the models already look impressive, but the real surprise comes when you start looking closer. Roof tiles, windows, balconies, statues, colors, people, even the smallest architectural details have been recreated perfect. And that kind of made me wonder, how do they actually do it? This is where magic begins. Using plans, photos and measurements, everything is recreated at 1 to 25 scale, then built, painted and finished by hand. Even the motors, wheels and train tracks are made here, while the older models are repainted and restored. One of the biggest projects ever built at Swissminiatur is the United Nations complex in Geneva. It took around 4,000 hours of work to complete. The model was so large it had to be made in 3 separate sections, and to put them together into position, they even needed a helicopter, a real helicopter. Even at miniature scale, this was a huge engineering and craftsmanship challenge. And to celebrate this video, Swissminiatur is offering a special giveaway, 2 free entrance tickets for 2 people. So if you'd love to experience this amazing miniature world for yourself, check the description and the pinned comment to find out how to enter. After seeing everything up close, I think everyone who works here and everyone who has ever worked here on any of the projects should be incredibly proud. Every model carries somebody's time, skill, and attention to details. Swissminiatur may be a miniature version of Switzerland, but the work behind it is anything but small. More than 6 years later, that passion is still here, in every building, every train, and every tiny detail. By the way, have you seen the scenery behind all this miniature? No? Then I think you need to watch the video again, because look at that. Wow! If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, leave a comment and tell me your favorite part of it. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. I'll see you in the next one.